Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Notion calendar and reminders for deadlines. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate the Notion calendar and reminders for deadlines, start by opening Notion on your device. Navigate to the page where you want to add your calendar. Click on the plus icon to add a new block. Select the calendar option from the drop-down menu. A calendar will appear on your page. To add a deadline, click on the specific date you want to set. In the event window, enter the title of your task or deadline. You can set the time for your deadline by selecting the time icon. Once you set the time, click on Add a Reminder below the date and time. Choose how far in advance you want to be reminded. You can select options like 5 minutes, 1 hour, or custom time. After adjusting the reminder settings, click Save. Your task is now added. To view upcoming reminders, check the calendar view regularly. This ensures you're always informed about your deadlines. If necessary, you can click and drag tasks to change their dates. You can also edit reminders by clicking on the task and adjusting the settings. Make sure to repeat this process for all deadlines you want to track. With this setup, you'll never miss an important deadline on Notion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.